Today, we'll learn 4 convenient ways to fill sequential numbers in Excel based on different situations. First, the basic sequence is simple. You can enter 1 and 2 in order, then drag with the autofill handle to fill the sequence. You can also fill sequences with patterns like 1, 11, 21. Next, we can use the row function for dynamic sequences. Subtract the row number above the reference cell in the row function and use autofill to complete the dynamic sequence. This sequence maintains its order even if rows are deleted, making it convenient for frequently changing data. In merged cell ranges, autofill can cause errors, so you use a different method. First, select the range and enter the max function. Then select the header, enter a colon to change it to range format. Press F4 to make the starting cell of the range an absolute reference and add 1 to complete the formula. Press Ctrl plus Enter to input the formula, and the sequence will be entered in the merged cell range. Lastly, group sequences are also very simple. First, select the range, press Ctrl plus G to open the Go To dialog, click the Options button. Check the blank cells to select empty cells. Then write a formula using the N function. Select the cell above, add 1, and press Ctrl plus Enter to input the formula, allowing you to quickly enter group sequences. Next, let us highlight alternate rows in a spreadsheet by using conditional formatting. Begin by selecting the range of cells where you want to apply the conditional formatting. Then navigate to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, type =, is odd, row. This formula checks if the row number is odd. If it is, the condition is met, and the formatting will be applied. Next, click on the Format button to choose the formatting style you want to apply to the odd rows. You can change the fill color, font style, or border. A light fill color is often used to subtly highlight the row's dot. After setting your desired format, click OK to close the Format Cells dialog, and then click OK again to apply the rule. Your selected range should now display alternate row highlighting, with the odd-numbered rows formatted according to your specifications.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you in the next episode.